Yo, what's up guys? Andy here, back with another how-to video, and today I'm going to tell you how to backflip a parachute. Okay, so what you want to do is you want to get your parachute all set up. You want to head up in the plane, Then you want to jump out of the plane. You want to get going really fast, like 100 miles per hour. The next thing you want to do is there's the little cords. You want to pull back on those. And you want to tuck your knees up like this. And then you're going to start to do it. You're going to start to do backflips and you're chilling. Hope you guys found this video helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe.
Okay. Don't blame your problems on the past. Go hard. You might win.